Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware, which is called Summer Locker. The video is strictly for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. Now, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. However, some computers are not properly protected against ransomware attacks, and because of that, computers may be vulnerable before ransomware and other types of threats. This Summer Locker ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends a special Summer extension to the files. So when you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Summer extension, which is appended to the file names. Indeed, it is not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware would tell the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. Speaking about removing this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program, a special anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start thoroughly researching and investigating your system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So the scanning will then begin. You can also see that the ransomware called Summer Locker drops this ransom note on the computer screen in a form of special pop-up window. You need to remove this ransomware immediately. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files, it does not restore the files, but it can help you remove this ransomware and to protect all your data against other possible ransomware attacks. This anti-ransomware feature is a part of Combo Cleaner Premium license. You can add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.